Hey there, my name's Stephen and welcome back to my journey of living in Canada. Ever since I moved over and started making these videos, the one question I get asked the most is how do I find a job in Canada? Well, today is your lucky day because I'll be visiting the Young Guns container crew in Vancouver to show you an exciting new job opportunity that could end up taking you all over the world. More about that at the end of the video. Let's go check it out. Yes, we are here from one of the several sites that Young Guns operates in Vancouver. But one of the great first things to know is that if you choose to work with Young Guns in Canada, they have depots all over the country. So if Vancouver isn't your vibe, you could always check out the sites in Toronto or Calgary, so you can explore all of Canada during your stay. Before we go in though, I feel like I need to come clean. This might come as a shock to some people, but I have never worked a labour job in my life. These hands are callus free, and I don't really know what to expect. Now, I've been told that the folks here are going to take me through a typical day without any kind of special treatment so that you get a very accurate representation of what working for Young Guns is actually like. Don't know why that seems so daunting. It's going to be fine, right? So I got here a bit early and I just got given my official work uniform. I have no idea how to put this on. Safety. So the first thing these guys do every morning is that they do a little bit of stretching just to warm up the body, because unloading shipping containers can be pretty physically demanding. And here we are, my first time stretching in about 4 years, and I think it shows. Like I said, the team do this every morning before getting their assignments, and then it's time to start the day. So I'm here at Young Guns. This is my first task of the day. I'm here with team lead, project lead.
That's it, yeah.
Team lead, Rob, and he's going to tell me what I need to do.
Okay, so basically, looking at this container here, we have a few of the boys set up early on. This is what we would call a palletized load. It's a transload. Okay. So the container will come up onto door 84. It'll be transloaded into door 82. This is tinned fruit, so the aim is to palletize it onto the blue chip pallets. They're currently building tie-highs at the moment, and it will be driven in using a forklift into door 82. So you can see Terry in there setting up the trailer at the moment. A 40-foot container going to a 53-foot trailer.
So Rob, what do you need from me? What do I need to do?
Alright, as you can see, the boys are halfway through, so halfway through the first pallet, so time for you to jump in and give it a go.
Cool. So I wasn't very fast when I was unloading the other pallet, but I'm about to learn how to wrap the pallet.
Wrap.
Yeah,
I'm going to show you now.
So Terry here is going to teach me how to wrap the pallet. What's the fastest time someone's done this in?
I'd say Robbo here, the cameraman, probably might have the record for that now. He'd be here around that in a few seconds for that.
A few seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if I can do a few seconds, but let's see what we can do.
Just for the start, so the bottom pallet, we get it with the pallet, so the bottom boxes and the pallet.
1, go!
And then just then we can just fit it in anywhere to go along. Yeah.
So I think I'm equally as bad as that as I was at that.
Not a bad first effort at all. It's definitely a lot better than my first effort on the job anyway.
I think you're far too kind. So I just watched back the footage of me wrapping the pallet and I am out of breath. Like, this is some physical work. I mean, it's kind of like you're getting paid to go to the gym. So I'm going to leave the wrapping of the pallets to the experts in the hope that I can find something else that I might be a little bit more useful at. one more role that I have to try, unless they want to let me drive the forklift. And hopefully I'll be okay at it, because these guys are running around the place and they're just getting stuff done. So yeah, fingers crossed. I finally found something that I might be half decent at. Basically, you put little things in a pallet and you wheel it out and wheel it into a new place where you unload everything. I think I got this. So we have just finished a day on the floor with the Young Guns team, and I am still alive. While there was a little bit of a learning curve, the team always made sure that I was fully supported and knew exactly what I should be doing throughout the whole day. I mean, they even gave me an official Young Guns t-shirt. But like I said at the start of this video, no one moves to another country for a job alone. You want to be able to have some fun. And fun is where I think Young Guns really thrives. From social outings to regular check-ins to even mental health support. Young Guns Container Crew really feels like a company that actually values and supports its team members. They've even partnered with a local rugby team. Now, unfortunately, there's no game tonight, but a few of the guys are going off to play a game of pitch and putt, and they invited me, so I guess that's where we're going next. Let's go. I'm joking, they won't let me drive this thing. Seemingly you need a license. I've been asking all day. Okay, so we're here in Queen Elizabeth Park at the pitch and putt course. A lot of people say it's really tough making friends in Vancouver. So having something like this where the people you know in work become your friends outside of work is just a really nice vibe. Alright, so we're here at Pitch and Putt. I'm here with Coach JARROD. Yeah, JARROD's going to talk to us a little about the community aspect of Young Guns.
How you going? Yeah, Young Guns has a great community aspect. As you can see now, we're out at Pitch and Putt just at Queen Elizabeth Park in Vancouver. Couldn't count the many times I've been out here with the boys. Nights out, pitch and putt, weekends away. Plenty of things organised by Young Guns and by us ourselves. We really do pride ourselves on the community aspect and having fun with all the boys in work and outside of work.
So I have to get much better at pitch and putt, it seems, because I'm not doing very well right now.
He's doing all right.
So there you have it. I've stacked some containers, met some great people, and embarrassed myself in a game of pitch and putt. So what's my takeaway? I'm not going to lie to you and say that the work is easy. You definitely need to be decently fit. But it is very rare to be able to walk away from a day of wrapping pallets and feel like you still had fun. It's like they treat unloading shipping containers as a sport, which is good, because the more containers you unload, the more money you can make. And these guys unload a lot. The atmosphere on the floor is amazing, and you get to meet some phenomenal people from all over the world. Now, I don't know about you, but it's not very often you can find jobs like that. Finding a job when moving to a new country can be extremely stressful. You're trying to navigate what kind of work you want, what kind of work is available, how much money you'll make. Also just know that Young Guns actually pays above the living wage. And maybe most importantly, you're trying to figure out the kind of people that you want to work with. Working with Young Guns can really help tick a lot of these boxes. One of the coolest things though, and I did save this for last, is that they are currently setting up the Young Guns International Pathways program for their team. Now this means that very shortly, you might be able to join the Young Guns team here in Canada, do a year or two, whatever your work permit allows, and then decide to travel to Australia for a change of scenery. Continue working and growing with Young Guns and do it all again when you get sick of Australia and want to visit New Zealand. This is truly a unique work experience, and people know it. It is attracting hundreds of young, motivated people from around the world, providing them with the training and mentoring to actually allow them to grow their career. I've thoroughly enjoyed my time at Young Guns, and if you think you might be interested in applying yourself, then I suggest you visit the URL just here, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the link below this video so you can get chatting to the Young Guns team today. Also, if you've liked this video and would like to see more content around the types of work you might find yourself in Canada, then make sure you comment down below. And if there is any suggestions that stand out, we will be sure to add them into our next video.
I work in the seafood, like coffee bags. So like, it's like something like this, okay. You like to drink? We love to lift coffee bags. That's we call young guns. Something like this.
Love it.
Yeah.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah.